So, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. You are watching Des Diaries, and today's video is going to be my maths preparation vlog as a CBSE 9th grader. So basically I have my exam on 3rd of March and my aim is, as Shobit Bhaiya says, 100 on 100, and आज भी मैं शोभित भैया के मैराथन ही लेने वाली हूँ. So now my today's target is part 1 and part 2 को complete करना. Like जो आता होगा उसको skip कर दूँगी because अभी मैथ में भी पढ़ रखा है. लाइक अब मेरी तैयारी थोड़ी सी है, ज़्यादा नहीं, थोड़ी है मैथ्स के लिए. सो या विदाउट एनी फर्दर ado, let's begin. Started with the first chapter of marathon, and here I was doing bed decoration because I find this chapter pretty boring, and also I was just drawing figure and then just writing the all formula related to that particular figure, and moreover I was doing my revision on a rough notebook. So yeah, here I completed 1 hour 19-minute lecture and the time was round about 7 p.m. So I decided to take a music break. So yeah. And then I continued the marathon, and the thing is I haven't completed chapter 11 yet. Like last some 1 or 2 formulas are left and then I'll be done, but I don't really feel like doing it. So yeah. Then I started chapter lines and angles. Like for me it's pretty easy, and I decided to just do all the NCERT questions instead of attending marathon. So yeah. So the time currently is around 12 p.m. and I haven't completed most of the tasks today, but yeah, I have completed a major portion of surface area and volume, completed whole line and angle and coordinate geometry is just a matter of 5 minutes. So I'll consider that I have done this wala chapter 80%, this around 95, and this chapter I haven't touched but I know well. So these all tasks will take not more than 30 minutes. No, actually including chapter 7, so not more than 1 hour. So I'll do them tomorrow. So it is the next day, and I woke up at around 11:40 a.m. and within 20 minutes I did my all morning chores, and then I started studying, and I haven't slept well from past 2 to 3 days. That's why I woke up pretty late. So yeah. So in the morning I studied in pretty sunlight because that refreshes the mind. So yeah, here I was doing chapter 7, and then I decided to practice questions from the marathon only. So then I started doing that. So actually I'm done with the most of the chapter. I'm just left with one question, but Shobit Bhaiya is also going to take a break. So yeah, that's why I'm also going to take a break. Time currently, so now let's get back to studies. So then I moved on to the chapter coordinate geometry. I practiced it from R.D. Sharma, and then I was done with this chapter, and that is it for this vlog. So yeah, meet you guys soon. Bye bye.